The foundation of your home is probably not something that you think about a whole lot, and that's kind of by design. It is meant to be the strong bedrock that your home sits on, and most last for a long, long time, many, many years. But sometimes there can be problems with the foundation, and catching that early can save you a ton of money down the road. So today we have joining us Kole with American Waterworks to tell us a little bit more about that. Hi, Kole.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for having me on. It's
Absolutely.
exciting.
Welcome to the show. All right, so not a lot of us are paying attention to our foundation. So tell us, what is foundation failure?
Yeah, so basically foundation failure is when your home settles into the soil and causes your foundation walls to collapse.
Okay, so then what causes it to happen in homes? And is it just older homes that this happens to?
Yeah, absolutely. So now you may think your home rests on solid ground, but actually the ground underneath your home is made of different soil layers. And over time, these layers can either wash out, soften, or shrink, causing your home to settle or crack. Now, as the soil gets wet, it retains water and softens. We live in an area where there's a lot of clay in the soil, so it's very absorbent soil. So as that clay gets wet and softens, your home can actually compress into that soft soil. Water can also cause what's called a soil washout, which creates these empty voids underneath your home, which can't support the overall weight of your home. And as your home falls into these voids, the foundation will often crack and settle.
Okay.
Now, since the soil, since the soil is the cause of this, this can happen to both old or new homes.
Okay, so just because you have a brand new home doesn't mean that you don't need to pay attention. That's good to know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are some of the warning signs then that this is happening to our homes? What should we be looking for?
Yeah, so a few warning signs to look for are first, interior cracking and inward bowing or leaning of your foundation walls. You can also see sagging and cracking floors, sticking doors or windows, and also cracking on your exterior wall as well. Now, it's really important to identify these problems as early as you can before they get worse and turn to much larger problems.
Yeah, I love all the pictures that you're showing too, that because it's showing different types of foundations for one, but in our basements and so forth, and so all the different cracks that we're probably recognizing too. So
Absolutely.
yeah, and everybody's running to their basement or running around outside to find out. So this is good information. So then what Waterworks will come in, what type of a process are they going to do with the homeowner to determine the cause of the problem for one, and then what are some of the solutions?
Yeah, so we provide free on-site inspections and estimates because each home is unique and the solutions we offer can vary based on the foundation needs of the home and also what the homeowner wants as well. A few solutions we provide that help owners with their foundation is we got our wall anchors and power braces, which help for bowing walls and leaning walls. We also got our smart jack system for sagging floors, push and helical piers for stabilizing those settling homes that are sinking into the soil. And then we also have our shot lock solution for more severely damaged and deteriorated walls. And if you want to learn more about these solutions, you can visit our website at www.american-waterworks.com.
Okay, so what should we be doing now in the meantime as the next steps before we contact you?
Yeah, like I said, just be on the lookout for those early warning signs, the cracks in the foundation, the sagging floors, cracking floors. If you do see that, then go ahead and give us a call at 1-800-795-1204 to get your estimate scheduled, or you can also do it online at www.american-waterworks.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kole. Good information, especially now as it's spring. So appreciate you being with us today.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. All right, so stay tuned. We have your daily dose of motivation.